everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's LilyMay here. I also have my dog with me whilst I do this voiceover, so if you do hear any weird sounds, that is from my dog Maggie. She's very cute. She's also on my Instagram, so have a little look at that. But anyway, so today's video I'll be reviewing a polish collection I got off Amazon. The brand is called Beetles, and I've heard a lot of things about this and I've never actually tried it out, so I thought, you know what, I'll go on Amazon, I'll buy some polishes. I have actually bought 2 sets, so there is another review coming soon, and honestly they're so cheap and so pretty, and their collections are so nice, and you can just get them from Amazon, so you can get quick shipping and all over the world as well, so that's great. Each set retails for about £14 on Amazon. I do believe that Beetles has their own website, but I just found it easy to get it off Amazon because I have Amazon Prime, so that's great for me. So yeah, there's 6 sets, like not 6 sets, they have 6 different colours in each set, but then you can get other sets with multiple colours, like 18, 20, whatever, but they're just smaller bottles. So each bottle you get 7.3 millilitres, which is quite small for a gel polish. However, they are quite cheap, like £14 for 6, and you're getting a nice collection, so some really nice colours. So it's not that expensive, but I would say like these bigger brands like Madame Glam and OPI, their polishes retail for about £20, but you are getting double the amount because you're getting, well, more than double. You're getting 15 mil, but you're also not getting 6 polishes in a set, you're getting 1. So yeah, think about it like that. So it is pretty cheap, and if you aren't doing, like, if you want into bougie collection just to use on yourself, then you're not going to want loads of volume in each colour because you probably won't even use it all. So it probably is better, like this kind of brand is better for self-use, if that makes sense, which is exactly what I'm using them for. So this is the first colour. I think I've already mentioned, but this is the maroon set, so all the colours are kind of like in that vibe, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't really get a maroon vibe from these colours, but these colours are really nice. And I'm sorry, my phone's not on mute, that's my fault. But anyway, so yeah, just swatching them. I got these swatch sticks also from Amazon. I will link this set down below if you are interested in buying from Amazon, and I also I'll link some other links down below with like the swatch sticks and whatnot. Also, just to mention, every single colour is numbered, which makes your life so much easier when you're like swatching them. You can just put the number down, and especially if you're only using one brand, which is all Beetles, and absolutely great, and you can order them, which is so amazing. We love that. So this is the next colour. Very cute bottles. And now this is more of a maroon colour. This is like the only maroon colour in this set, if I'm going to be honest. And it's not overly maroony, it's more brown than like a red maroon. But I think it's still really cute. And I will say I've used these on just my natural nails before, and they've lasted well over a week. Maybe 2 weeks before I've ended up filing it off and like redone my nails. So that lasted absolutely fine. I've also had them on my acrylics. No chipping, no scuffing, absolutely fine. I don't have their top coat and base coat, so I can't vouch for those, but just the colours I do really, really like. And yeah, it's good quality, so you can't go wrong, and especially with the price, so why not? This colour, this one's a really interesting colour to me because the more layers you do, the more purple it looks, but then the fewer layers, well actually no, the fewer layers the more purple it looks, but then the more layers the more black it looks, which I do really like because I had this colour on my acrylics, and in some lights it looked purple and in other lights it looked black, which I did actually really like because black acrylics do look really, really cute. And I think this would be a really nice colour for like a space vibe. I'm just rambling. But yeah, this is a really cute colour. It applies really easily. Obviously that's just one coat, and you can see that it's very purple. But once you start layering, it gets darker and darker and darker, which normally that doesn't happen with gel polishes. Normally they kind of just stick to one shade. So I think this is just a different formula. Like you can see, it's quite sheer, so it's definitely got buildable coverage, which I do appreciate a lot. And I think that's 2 coats where I'm showing you. So if you want even more, I think I did like 3 or 4 on my acrylics, and they, in some lights, they did look quite black, to be honest. But yeah, very interesting colour and a very nice colour. I've not got any colours like that, so I was very excited to see that. And also, just want to say, the packaging is really nice. You're not going to have any of the gel polishes explode in the mail, which is very much appreciated, because it's devastating when you've bought some really nice gels and they've come and they've all exploded, and most of the product is wasted, and you've got to clean it all up, like, and you've paid for that. You've paid for that mess, so not ideal. But with the packaging it comes in, you're not going to get that, because it's nicely boxed and it's got all the cushioning and whatnot, and it's also really pretty. So if you want to put it on your Instagram, then it's definitely Instagram worthy. Pretty sure they're on my Instagram. Oh, that's a second plug for my Instagram. I do apologise. I didn't intentionally do that. That just happened. So this is the next colour. Pink, again, not maroon at all. So I don't fully know why they call this a maroon set, because it's just not that maroony at all. Like, it's just really not. But it is pretty, and I'm very happy with the colours, but again, not maroony. Also, I live in the UK, and we've got a thunderstorm because we've just had a major heat wave, and it's absolutely chucking it down outside. So if you can hear that, I do apologise. But I can't exactly stop the rain because I'm not God. So I do apologise. But yeah, 1 layer and then 2 layers. Very, very pretty. Like, very opaque with that 2 layers. I really do love that colour. A cute Mean Girls colour. That's the vibe I get, at least, anyway. Okay, so another colour, which is like a vibrant orange. I don't have this colour in my collection. I have one similar, but not as bright as this one. So I was really excited to see this one. Such a nice summer vibe. Again, not maroon at all. Major confusion there, but still a really nice colour. Now, this colour doesn't go on that opaque, but it, again, is very buildable. And it looks really nice once you've done a couple of layers. And it goes on really, really nice, super smooth. You can see the colour there, but then once you can see that I've done a second layer, the colour does change quite a lot. Like, it darkens up quite a bit, a lot more orange, which is, I really love that colour. Like, it'd be so nice with a tan, like a good holiday set nails. Those, oh, that'd be gorgeous. Again, with the number 248, easy to swatch and whack on the number. You know exactly what you're looking for. And also the fact that they're on top of the polishes. Say if you have all your polishes obviously stood up right in a drawer, you can pull out the drawer, you know, oh, I'm looking for 248, and boom, you've got it. But anyway, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. The links will be in the description, and I'll see you guys for another video next week. Bye!